Die Moreletta rivier is 'n kosbare ekosisteem in Pretoria Oos, maar dit staar 'n reuse uitdaging in die gesig. Besoedeling, plastiek, afval en ander forme van besoedeling bedreig nie net die rivier se gesondheid nie, maar die plante, diere en mense wat daarvan afhanklik is.
Die EcoGlen vereniging is 'n gemeenskapsgebaseerde, geregistreerde, niewinsgewende organisasie. Die funksie daarvan in samewerking met en namens die stad Tshwane Natuurbewaring is om die Moreletta en Waterkloofspruit groen areas in Linwood te bestuur. Dit word gedoen deur lidmaatskapgelde, skenkings en borge. Ons is ook vriende van die Moreletta organisasie en 'n lid van WESA en die Adopt Moreletta Spruit Forum.
Die niewinsgewende organisasie EcoGlen is 'n groep toegewyde vrywilligers wat hierdie jaar hard werk om die rivier skoon te hou, waterkwaliteit te monitor en die biodiversiteit van hierdie lewensbelangrike ekosisteem te beskerm.
Ja, so basies het ek dink lank terug by EcoGlen Nature Reserve het ek begin, wat ek daar gevolonteer het vir mini-SAS, wat ons kan kyk wat is die gesondheid van ons riviere. Toe het Johan my genader en ek dink ek is nou seker 2-3 jaar al besig om hulle te help. Ons het begin onder en dan kom ons al die pad hierbo dat ons kyk wat is die riviergesondheid as ons kyk na die goggas. Want baie keer kyk ons net na die chemie, wat ook 'n goeie indikasie is, maar jy wil weet wat gaan aan gogga gewys, paddas het ook 'n invloed, jou visse en alles en dit begin by die macroinvertebrates. Nee, so mini-SAS behels dan die goggas wat ek sampel, 5 minute wat ek sampel, die verskillende biotope, jy kry verskillende organismes en verskillende soos jou plante, jou klippe, jou grond en so. En dan sit ek dit alles bymekaar en ons ID, ons kyk wat ons kry. Want elke organisme het 'n ander sensitiwiteit. So as dit 'n hoër sensitiwiteit is dit goed want dan beteken dit okay, as jy hom hier kry in 'n hoër sensitiwiteit beteken dit okay, great, hy kan actually survive. So die water is nie so sleg nie. Maar as jy net outjies kry wat laer sensitiwiteit het, dan moet jy begin worry en sê maar wat gaan aan? Dit is nie gesond nie.
In urban areas where we have a lot of water runoff from sewage systems or around agricultural areas or industrial areas where we have spillage, then we can actually see the quality of the water, the phosphates and the nitrates. So the Freshwater Watch initiative is, as I said earlier, a global initiative which has allowed for across the globe for citizen scientists to come involved in monitoring and then sharing the data, and the Earthwatch Europe will then collate and make this data freely available.
It does also mean that we get situations like this where there's lots of litter and debris, and that's why our natural areas need to be looked after as well. It's also surprising what still lives and moves around these green belts. So we have had camera traps up which take pictures when something moves in front of it. And we have got photographs from at night and during the day. There are porcupines that move along this green belt regularly. There are otters and mongooses, and we've even had a nyala come during COVID when everything got quiet. There was a very curious nyala that moved down from EcoGlen Nature Reserve under the January Masalela Bridge and up this green belt and peered into the camera to say hi. There are some really nice tools that we can use, like an app on our phone, that uses artificial intelligence. So you can take a picture of what you're seeing and ask iNaturalist, what is it that I'm seeing? And it will use its database of information and other photographs and where you are. So it takes GPS points. And it suggests, well, based on what you've given me, this is what this might be. And then you can select, yes, I think that is it. You can select it. And then there are what we call citizen scientists, other people who are curious about nature, who are on the app, and they will come and say, I agree with you, or they don't, and they'll suggest something else. So it's a really nice way of just being interactive with nature. So there are many ways you can get involved in green spaces like this. If you don't like getting your hands dirty, collecting litter from rivers or the vegetation, you can also participate in what are called bioblitzes, so using iNaturalist and helping to just identify all the different species that are in the area. That happens over a 4-day period, and you can get involved anywhere, even in your back garden. And you can also help with an alien invasive hack. So not all trees are the same. Some species are what we call invasive, and they shouldn't actually be growing here because they outcompete other species. And it's very therapeutic to cut those down and pull them out. And so you can do alien hacks. And then we even need signposts, information. We've got walkways that are open up and we've got those signposted. So there's really something for everybody and you should just get involved.
As ons almal inspring en saamwerk, kan ons 'n gesonder, skoner rivier vir toekomstige geslagte skep.